Oh God. See what the backhoe has done? Making ways, making way for our sweet pepper. Not only sweet pepper, but sweet pepper for now. God is to be glorified all the time. And without God, we're nothing. Without God, this couldn't or wouldn't be possible. You have to put God in front of everything. You know the fire? Watch it. Make him block it? Alright. Andre! Culture center make him block the water drain. Look at it, guys. That is so good. So we're clearing all of this. Yes. I don't know yet what else we're going to sow. But in due time, when God put it in our inspiration, we will sow something else. We will sow a lot of things, trust me. That's my husband there. We're going to leave this one tree. We're going to leave this one tree here. So we're going to leave this tree here for a cool shade. Huh? No, that's what I did tell him already.